Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of personal finance and wealth-building strategies. In this video, we'll be exploring the 7 unbelievable money habits of self-made millionaires. Have you ever wondered what sets successful individuals apart when it comes to managing their finances and achieving financial freedom? Well, you're in the right place because we're about to uncover some of the most unique and effective financial habits practiced by those who have made their own fortunes. Self-made millionaires aren't just lucky. They have specific habits and mindsets that contribute to their success. By understanding and adopting these habits, you too can pave the way toward building your wealth and securing your financial future. From smart investing to strategic saving techniques, we'll be covering it all in this video. So get ready to be inspired and motivated as we delve into the world of wealth creation. Whether you're just starting on your financial journey or looking to level up your money management skills, this video is packed with valuable insights that can help you achieve your financial goals. Stay tuned to discover the critical wealth-building strategies that can transform your financial life. Habit 1. Early investment. One of the key money habits that sets self-made millionaires apart is their commitment to early investment. Investing early in wealth creation is crucial for building a solid financial foundation and setting yourself up for long-term success. By starting to invest at a young age, individuals can take advantage of the power of compounding and maximize their returns over time. Successful self-made millionaires understand the importance of putting their money to work for them early on. Whether it's investing in the stock market, real estate, or starting a business, making smart investment decisions can significantly accelerate wealth accumulation. For example, Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, started investing in stocks at a young age and attributed much of his success to the power of compounding. Early investment not only allows individuals to grow their wealth over time, but also provides a cushion for unexpected expenses and retirement planning. By consistently investing a portion of their income, self-made millionaires can build a diversified portfolio that generates passive income and ensures financial stability in the long run. So, if you're looking to follow in the footsteps of self-made millionaires, consider making early investment a priority in your financial journey. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow exponentially over the years. Habit 2. Frugal living. Another remarkable money habit of self-made millionaires is their commitment to frugal living. Frugal living is all about being mindful of your spending, making intentional choices with your money, and prioritizing long-term financial goals over short-term gratification. By embracing a frugal lifestyle, individuals can significantly impact their wealth accumulation and set themselves up for financial success. Frugal living doesn't mean living a life of deprivation or sacrifice. Rather, it's about being smart with your money and making conscious decisions that align with your financial objectives. From cutting unnecessary expenses to living below your means, there are various ways to adopt a frugal lifestyle and optimize your financial resources for maximum impact. Self-made millionaires who have embraced frugality have seen tremendous results in their wealth-building journey. Take, for example, Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder of Facebook, who famously drives a modest car and lives in a relatively modest home despite his immense wealth. By prioritizing saving and investing over extravagant spending, Zuckerberg has been able to grow his wealth exponentially and secure his financial future. So, if you're looking to boost your financial success, consider incorporating frugal living habits into your daily routine. Start by tracking your expenses, setting a budget, and identifying areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. With dedication and discipline, you too can harness the power of frugality to achieve your financial goals. Habit 3. Multiple income streams. Diversifying income sources is a fundamental money habit that self-made millionaires swear by to achieve financial success. Relying on a single source of income can leave individuals vulnerable to economic downturns or unexpected financial challenges. By creating multiple income streams, individuals can not only increase their earning potential, but also enhance their financial stability and security. One of the key benefits of having multiple income streams is the ability to weather financial uncertainties and mitigate risks. Self-made millionaires understand the importance of diversification and leverage various income sources to build a robust financial portfolio. From passive income streams like rental properties or dividends to active income streams such as side businesses or freelance work, there are numerous ways to generate additional revenue streams. For instance, Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind companies like Tesla and SpaceX, has diversified his income by investing in multiple ventures across different industries. By spreading his wealth across various projects, Musk has created a safety net that ensures his financial well-being regardless of the performance of any single business. If you're looking to follow in the footsteps of self-made millionaires, consider exploring different income-generating opportunities and building a portfolio of diverse income streams. Whether it's starting a side hustle, investing in stocks, or monetizing your skills, creating multiple income streams can pave the way for long-term financial success and prosperity. Habit 4. Strategic networking. Strategic networking is a powerful money habit that self-made millionaires prioritize to accelerate their wealth-building journey. Building a strong professional network is essential for opening doors to new opportunities, gaining valuable insights, and expanding your reach within various industries. By cultivating meaningful relationships with like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs, and industry leaders, individuals can unlock a wealth of resources and support that can propel them toward financial success. Networking plays a crucial role in financial growth by providing access to valuable connections, mentorship, and potential business partnerships. Self-made millionaires understand the significance of surrounding themselves with individuals who can offer guidance, expertise, and opportunities for collaboration. By actively engaging in networking events, conferences, and online communities, individuals can expand their knowledge base, stay informed about industry trends, and tap into a pool of resources that can drive their financial goals forward. Effective networking strategies include attending industry-specific events, leveraging social media platforms for professional networking, and actively seeking out mentorship opportunities. By building authentic relationships based on mutual respect and trust, individuals can create a supportive network that fosters growth, learning, and collaboration. So, if you're looking to enhance your financial success, consider investing time and effort into strategic networking. By connecting with the right people and nurturing valuable relationships, you can position yourself for greater opportunities and long-term financial prosperity. Habit 5. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is a fundamental money habit that self-made millionaires consistently embrace on their path to success. The commitment to ongoing education and skill development is a key factor in wealth creation, as it allows individuals to stay ahead of the curve, adapt to changing market trends, and seize new opportunities for growth. Self-made millionaires understand the value of continuous learning in expanding their knowledge base, honing their skills, and enhancing their expertise in finance and business. By investing in their personal and professional development, individuals can position themselves as industry leaders, innovators, and experts in their respective fields. Whether it's staying updated on the latest financial strategies, mastering new technologies, or acquiring specialized certifications, continuous learning is a cornerstone of long-term financial success. To foster continuous learning in finance and business, individuals can explore a variety of resources and methods, including online courses, workshops, seminars, industry publications, and networking events. By immersing themselves in a culture of lifelong learning, individuals can gain valuable insights, stay informed about industry best practices, and cultivate a growth mindset that propels them towards their financial goals. Successful individuals who prioritize continuous self-improvement include figures like Oprah Winfrey, who attributes much of her success to her commitment to learning and personal growth. By embracing a mindset of continuous learning, individuals can unlock their full potential, drive innovation, and achieve lasting financial prosperity. Habit 6. Goal setting. Goal setting is a crucial money habit that self-made millionaires swear by to achieve financial success. Setting clear and actionable financial goals is essential for providing direction, motivation, and focus on the path to wealth accumulation. By defining specific objectives and milestones, individuals can create a roadmap that guides their financial decisions, prioritizes their actions, and propels them towards their desired outcomes. The significance of setting clear financial goals lies in providing individuals with a sense of purpose, clarity, and accountability in their wealth-building journey. Whether it's saving for retirement, investing in a new business venture, or achieving a specific income target, well-defined goals serve as a compass that steers individuals towards success. By breaking down larger goals into smaller, achievable steps, individuals can track their progress, celebrate their wins, and stay motivated throughout their financial endeavors. Effective goal setting for wealth accumulation involves setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By following this framework, individuals can create goals that are actionable, realistic, and aligned with their long-term financial aspirations. Self-made millionaires leverage goal setting as a tool for staying focused, disciplined, and driven toward their financial objectives, ensuring that every decision and action they take aligns with their ultimate vision of success. Habit 7. Philanthropy. Philanthropy is a transformative money habit that self-made millionaires embrace as a key aspect of their wealth management strategy. Giving back to society and supporting charitable causes not only benefits the recipients but also enriches the lives of the givers. By incorporating philanthropy into their financial plans, individuals can make a positive impact on the world while experiencing personal fulfillment and long-term success. One of the primary benefits of philanthropy is the opportunity to create meaningful change and contribute to causes that align with one's values and beliefs. Self-made millionaires understand the power of giving back and recognize the importance of using their wealth to make a difference in the lives of others. Whether it's supporting education, healthcare, environmental conservation, or social justice initiatives, philanthropy allows individuals to leave a lasting legacy and create a positive ripple effect in society. Engaging in philanthropic activities can also lead to personal fulfillment and a sense of purpose beyond financial success. By giving back to those in need, individuals can experience a profound sense of satisfaction, gratitude, and connection to their communities. Moreover, philanthropy can enhance one's reputation, build valuable relationships, and foster a culture of generosity and compassion that extends far beyond individual wealth accumulation. As you continue on your financial journey, consider incorporating philanthropic activities into your wealth management strategy. Whether it's donating to a charitable organization, volunteering your time and skills, or advocating for social causes, embracing philanthropy can not only benefit others, but also enrich your own life in ways you never imagined. In this video, we've explored the 7 unbelievable money habits of self-made millionaires that can transform your financial journey and pave the way for long-term success. From early investment and frugal living to multiple income streams, strategic networking, continuous learning, goal setting, and philanthropy, these key habits are the foundation upon which self-made millionaires have built their wealth and secured their financial futures. It's essential to recognize the importance of adopting these unique financial habits and integrating them into your own wealth-building strategy. By following in the footsteps of successful individuals who have mastered these habits, you can unlock your full potential, achieve your financial goals, and create a life of abundance and prosperity. As you reflect on the lessons learned in this video, consider taking actionable steps toward implementing these money habits in daily life. Start by setting clear financial goals, diversifying your income streams, investing in your personal growth, and giving back to causes that matter to you. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on personal finance like this video. Share it with others who can benefit from these tips, and engage with us by liking and commenting below. Together, let's embark on a journey towards financial success and empowerment. Thank you for watching.